beautiful is
There, let's go to the front of the boat here. Walk around the ship. You see ferries. Queen of Oak Bay. This one that have many ships. I'm walking with my baby on the deck.
I love you, my love.
Before we get kicked off.
You're not. We're not.
Huh?
Yeah,
Okay, let's go to the very front and see what's up here. Before maybe we can walk right around to the front. Let's see. Let's go see what if they don't catch us. I don't know if we're supposed to be here or not.
Baby, we go down there.
No, come on, let's go to the front. What's up here?
Only the...
No, we're on the front. You can see us when we leave. We'll hide underneath here so nobody can see us. Come on. And then?
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Philippine Canadian Adventure.
With my baby.
With my baby. Here we are enjoying staying in Canada, BC.
Oh, we're starting to move,
Oh.
baby. We're starting to move. Look.
Scared.
Turn our camera on. See how we're moving.
There we are moving. We start moving now.
Come up here. You can see we're at the front of the ship now. And then, see out there? There's what's that big thing out there? Looks like a submarine. I don't know, way out there. But anyway, that's a the ferries go to this little island. A lot of people live on that island as well. That is Langdale. Right here we go through a whole bunch of little islands. But we are heading over to the big island, Vancouver Island. You may see some orcas out here, or dolphins, you never know. You see them quite often. They will announce it on the ferry when they see them. What the heck is that thing out there? It's a weird looking big, it looks like a submarine or something, but I think it's just a barge. Somebody's towing something weird on it.
Driving, my love.
We're stopping in West Vancouver for a little coffee before we get on the ferry.
There. We're gonna take the bulldozer. Wow, check this out. We are in Nanaimo now. Beautiful.
It's called Long Lake.
Beautiful here, baby. Here's my baby. This is the truck that we're driving around.
There, my baby, the best. What's on my life? It's so small.
Yes, cute. Cute. Cute little bulldozer. Yeah.
Yeah, you can Google what's a gourd.
Gourd.
Let's see. Gourds. 3 gourds. Okay, take this one.
Yeah, can I take this?
My baby's gonna have a gourd. There. Pumpkins for my baby. Look at this one.
You choose
What
my
the
love.
heck is this one? You were silly. Later we grab one. Let's go get some.
Okay.
All these little ones are cute.
Yeah.
Baby one.
Hi. Hi guys. Woo! Beautiful 2 rabbits here. Oh no!